All right, so this is the bonus round for all you overachievers out there. If you're good with slides, you're good with infographics, and you're good with screencasting, consider making your presentations a little bit more interactive using tools to get your audience to engage with you while you're presenting. So I've got a few of these tools to go over with you. I've got more detailed videos and instructions attached, but I just wanted to give you a quick overview of each one through video. So my favorite interactive tool that would work great with younger kids and is great for people without computers in their classroom is Plickers. So here's Plickers. What it is a set of cards. Yes, you heard me. It's a set of cards that you print out. So Plickers cards look like this. You can see the picture of the students holding them up. They're kind of like QR codes, and the way they orient the QR code picture represents A, B, C, or D. So here's another picture of what the cards look like. You can buy them on Amazon. They're $20 to have laminated ones, or you can just print them yourself. So all you need is a smartphone, and what you do is you download the Plickers app, you give your students the cards, and you scan the room when you ask a question, and you can display the results. So think about presentations where you're doing direct instruction. Maybe at a halfway point, you can embed a few review questions, have the students use Plickers to respond, gain some interest before you continue teaching. So Plickers, super easy to implement. It's fun, and it actually works really well with an iPhone, iPad, or any other smartphone that can download the Plickers app. Okay, another interactive tool that's similar to Plickers but requires technology is Poll Everywhere. Poll Everywhere is a system that's used widely in college and with adult learners, but there's no reason it couldn't be used with younger students as well. So with Poll Everywhere, a teacher can set up a poll. It's really easy to do, and then the students can respond through their devices. So they can actually respond through a smartphone by texting, or they can access a website and put in their answer. And then you can display the results, discuss the results. You can even generate a word cloud with Poll Everywhere. It's really cool. So another way to get your audience engaged in your presentations while you're presenting, Poll Everywhere. The last interactive presentation tool I'd like to show you is called Today's Meet. Now this one's for the brave teacher with great digital citizenship amongst their students. Here's why. What Today's Meet does is it provides a back channel chat room for students while a presentation is going on. So what you do is you create a room and you set that up. I'll do one right now. Test room. That'll be taken, I'm sure. 55. Great. I can decide to open my room for 1 week, 1 hour, 2 hours. I would keep it as short as possible so your kids aren't in there discussing while you're not watching. You can open up the room. When students go to Today's Meet to join this room, they actually put in their nickname. So this is the link that you share with students. You just give them todaysmeet.com/testroom55 and they will get this exact page. They get to self-select their name. So, they can put whatever they want in there. You might need to prime them. And then once they join, it's not going to let me put miss. Once they join, they can put in a message. I have a question about industrialization. Okay, so say something you're saying doesn't make sense. A student can type that in and you can get a cue. They might type something in, another student might answer. So you kind of have a conversation going on the side while the presentation is happening. So something to experiment with. You could also just use the chat room feature in other ways, but it's a cool tool to get kids engaged while they're listening to something that's kind of passive. Todaysmeet.com. Hopefully you learned a little bit about how to potentially make your presentations engaging and interactive. There's more resources after this video to help you get started with all of the tools I've talked about.